joint stock company, national company Қазақстан Ғарыш Сапары was established on March 17, 2005, in order to implement projects in the space industry. Nowadays, it is a dynamically growing company that develops advanced space technologies. The company provides operation of Earth remote sensing spacecrafts and the implementation of space monitoring to solve sectoral tasks of economy based on spatial data. It also provides navigation services, engineering, assembly, testing of spacecraft and equipment components. Kazakhstan's Earth Remote Sensing Space System, ERS-RC, operates since 2015. They consist of two satellites, KAZ-EOSat-1 and KAZ-EOSat-2, high and medium spatial resolution, as well as a ground segment for remote sensing of the Earth. The system ensures the provision of independent operational information, solving the sectoral tasks of economy, defense potentialities, and national security of Kazakhstan. The project was implemented jointly with the leading European company Airbus Defence and Space. The third Earth remote sensing satellite for scientific and technological purposes, KAZ-ST-SAT, developed by the SAM company Galam LLP and Sari Satellite Technology Limited. One of the most important areas of the company's activity is space monitoring that is used to solve sectoral tasks of the economy. Monitoring is carried out centrally for state bodies and covers the most important areas of activity, such as agriculture, ecology, water, forest and resources, emergencies, subsoil use, land use, national security, and etc. In particular, cultivation is monitored throughout the country, including determining the areas, assessing the condition and amount of weeds in crops, forecasting yield, and monitoring the rate of harvesting. Monitoring also reveals focal points and areas of forest steppe fires, unauthorized logging, new prospective lands for irrigation, spontaneous dumps, and violations in the field of mining. In order to implement the project for the creation of an assembly and testing complex for satellites and its further operation, LLP Galam was created in 2010 by Kazakh-French enterprise in cooperation with Airbus Defence and Space. It is an innovative company for the design, creation and production of satellites and their components, which employs highly professional engineers, trained in leading foreign companies in various areas of space activities. In the assembly and testing complex can be carried out several test types of satellites, such as thermal vacuum tests, vibration test, acoustic test, determination of mass characteristics, electromagnetic compatibility tests. Also, the Assembly and Testing Center has a compact antenna range for measuring parameters and electromagnetic compatibility of satellite subsystems. The Assembly Testing Complex can provide a full cycle of tests and assembly work for a wide range of satellites weighing up to 6 tons. The company plans to maximize the production of Kazakhstan products and services. Over the coming years, it is planned to update the existing Earth remote sensing system by creating its own constellations of high and medium resolution satellites. Currently, a project has been developed for a future satellite constellation of 3 medium resolution spacecraft. The constellation provides an effective capability to scan an entire territory of Kazakhstan at least once a day to satisfy the requirements of Kazakhstan needs for Earth remote sensing data. Considering the possibility of increasing the number of satellites in the constellation by attracting private investment, the projects will be implemented by Galam LLP on the basis of the assembly and testing complex. The company's strategy is aimed at creating its own ground and industrial space infrastructure through cooperation with recognized world leaders in order to provide high-tech space services at the regional and global levels.